Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima and you guys have problem with the mood lights, also known as ambient lights inside the cabin that do not work. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check for the mood lights if they don't work guys. Now, that should work on this generation Kia Optima, so let's start on it now. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan guys on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So as you can see, we took a picture of the fuse box inside guys. We showed you where it's located. That way we can show with a great detail where all the fuses are located in case you need to check which one exactly it is, because practically it's not possible. So the fuse for the mood lights guys is actually not known as mood lights. So this is the back side of the fuse box right here. If you look at it, we have a fuse that's known as a quark fuse. That quark fuse controls the interior lights and the mood lights as well guys, multiple things. So where that fuse is located, if you come right here, you come to the second row and to the second fuse down right here. Now always guys, always check that fuse. Never assume that the fuse is good or bad, always test them. It takes practically guys, just a few short seconds to find out if the fuse is good or bad. And we have a special video that explains how to test it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, because guys, if you think it's a good fuse, put it in. You still have problems with your Kia Optima, you start spending more time, money to fix it, when all we had to do, test and replace that fuse and make your life much easier guys. So we'll put the link to that video, and if you need to buy replacement fuses, we'll share the link in the description of the video below as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.